The MATEIN Rolling Garment Bag ensures that your clothes remain wrinkle-free with its dedicated garment compartment, making it a reliable choice for business trips and formal events. Smooth and quiet mobility is guaranteed with its rubber inline skate wheels, complemented by a sturdy aluminum telescopic handle for personalized comfort during travel. This garment bag excels in organization, featuring multiple pockets and packing cubes, including a padded laptop compartment, ensuring all your travel essentials are neatly arranged. Constructed from rugged, water-resistant polyester fabric, this bag is designed for durability, making it an excellent companion for frequent travelers who value long-lasting quality. The timeless style of this bag makes it suitable for any occasion, with dimensions that meet most airline-checked luggage requirements, adding sophistication to your travel gear. The attention to detail in the design, including reinforced stitching and lockable zippers, ensures your formal attire remains pristine, making this bag a standout choice for professionals.